Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. It's another driving vlog. I'm out early in the morning. I gotta look my money, right? I've picnic for feed and woman I breed and these things. Watch this. But let's tell my people I'm in Jamaica, right? Especially the one them in the Mobay area there. For go on all the faith. Because I know everybody a bad man, gunman, killer, gunslinger, and whatever else, right? But to be pinned down living in these conditions, God knows, it must feel a way, right? Now, whole day yesterday, I don't know what I'm to my phone not charge, and I'm in some place in Texas where internet ain't really working out, so I'm just find the next place where I'm gonna move to now. That's pretty nice, and them have full high-speed internet and rare. But if I go pack up all my stuff and move again today or tomorrow after work. Anyway, you know, my phone get full up yesterday, and you know how I do on SouFLoTV. I can't show these images, but me see bodies on top of bodies. Me see mans get slapped with multiple man in a car. Different people are calling and leave messages. One youth calling, I be a gunfire in the background, right? The people that link me on WhatsApp and I make me know what's happening a yard, and it don't sound pretty. A person come on SouFLoTV and make a comment the other day upon one of my video them, but what he hates about me, SouFlo, is I don't live in Jamaica, but I comment on things in Jamaica. Fuck boy. You know, say I go to Jamaica more than probably, yo. First, and check this out. For you people who think that once somebody fly out, and because you will never get a chance to fly out, you want excommunicate with one Bertland, you're an idiot. Okay? You are an idiot. I don't have to go into the whole residual income and foreign entities or foreign family members sending in barrels and sending in finances, money-wise, and these kind of things to keep them family afloat in Jamaica. You can't excommunicate us. So, one thing you don't like about me is that I live a foreign. Listen, the whole of my people them they are Jamaica. So when Jamaica start turn upside down in a certain areas and you hear me commenting, it's because I have family members there, right? And because when me come Jamaica, come visit, at them place that me go. You dig? But him not like me because me not live in a Jamaica. Oh, and the second part of his comment was that I have no plans to ever return to Jamaica and no plans to ever live there. You big doo-doo head dodo idiot. If you stay close to the channel and you watch the channel, I did a whole video. Police out there now. I did a whole video on that recently where I talked about my plans to actually go back to Jamaica and work in the medical field because I feel that I can be of asset to my people. People that say, yo, SouFlo, why you not go to Jamaica go get involved in politics, right? Because you have some strong views and you seem to be someone intelligent that can actually, plus with a decade of military background training, you know, and all this other stuff. And I'm saying no. I'm in the medical field here, and I'm looking at my experience here in the US as like a journeyman, picking up experience along the way, right? So when I touch down, I'm gonna say, all right, boom, it's time to open up practice or time to go to work in my own country. I have a world of experience that I can put to use to help my people. That's what my journey is about. So don't worry about me. I put up video and I talk about me not live there. Enough Jamaican fly out and left Jamaica and have no qualms in telling you they will never ever return. I have never ever said that I won't ever return. On every video I'm telling us that that's my place. Me not left it out for nothing. We just want us to come to some solutions. because the politicians ain't doing it. And I be a politician who know I talk about. Prayer and religion ain't doing it, and I be a prayer and religion who know I talk about. See that pretty deer on the side of the road. I don't know if you'll catch that. So how much prayers and how much politician are we going to continue to talk about with no solutions? I did a video yesterday or the day before yesterday, and that's the video where I left a comment on where I said there will be no more Jamaicans left soon, because the rate that we're killing off our own people or them killing us off, the Chinese won't have no problem taking over completely. And I gave a 20-year projection, 2 decades, 10 to 20 years. You do the math, 150 murders per month averaging. We've even been up to 167 murders in 1 month in Jamaica. So may I say 150 a month average, just for mathematical purposes. Work that out. 150 a month, 12 months a year, 20 years straight. How much dead Jamaican is that? And on top of that, let's put in people dying from accident, people dying from sickness, people dying from old age, natural death. No, I'm gonna be none we left in Jamaica soon. People are left the country and decide them now come back because them get a little visa. Them kind of something there. You put all these things into perspective. I hate reasoning with someone because someone really act like on the dunce. And it's not even act like you dunce. You just hate for no reason. You hate for no reason to the point where you come on this channel and you just hate me for no reason. I just hate the boy SouFLoTV. I mean, I like him because him live a foreign. Me bumbuck like me live a foreign, so you hate me. Wow. You just hate me because me have no intentions of coming back to Jamaica. Even though me go Jamaica all the damn time. You just hate me because me don't have no plans for living in Jamaica ever. Even though I've made countless videos telling you exactly what my journey is. Anyway, it's that same mentality, man, that have us killing off each other. The picture of them when me get from Mobay yesterday, this morning, them grieve me. I have countless pictures. I don't know if me link up with people on WhatsApp, because these people on WhatsApp send them to me. I don't want to keep sending them to a bunch of other people. People that say SouFLo start a WhatsApp group, which I'm going to work on doing that this weekend. Start a WhatsApp group that way we can share things, because I don't want to share these things on like YouTube, Facebook. You know what I say? WhatsApp group could be a closed group where you definitely have to be a subscriber to SouFLoTV and them thing there, and we communicate closely, because I do communicate with my SouFLoTV audience. I don't want it to be a sad story every day, but it don't look good for us. It don't look good for us. So again, I close out the video here by saying, my people them, in them area there, go on with the faith. If you don't know what I'm talking about, them say, Rifle King, done for a certain place, get slapped with, and them cronies, them rise up, right? You have Rifle King, I have some other man. May I call up too much name and say too much of anything for reasons that I don't have to spell out for you. Alright? But go and hold the faith, man. And go and move wisely in these times. Yeah? Because I know, like I said, them are running at every house and shut up everybody. When you see what go on already. So obviously, man and man involved in the things and things. Go on, move wisely. SouFLoTV, you know, I'm out here. I do the thing positive. Make sure you tune in this Saturday when we go live. Everybody want to know about the Brains. Me and Brains break up and all them thing there. We go live this Saturday, right? On SouFLoTV, where we are going to deal with the matter, talk about that and everything else. Alright? I'm out. Peace.